Hey guys, what's up? It's Brian here, and so we made it through the storm. I had a dream it was North Korea's bombs, and look what we got. Look at that. So freaking cool. So later, or right now, I'm going to my dad to tell him if I could drive it, and then we might go sneak into the pools and stuff, go on the docks because it's daytime, and yeah. So we'll meet you guys over at the bar. All right, you guys, we're here. We're about to go inside and ask my dad. So yeah, I will see you guys inside. Hey, what's up, guys? Box top, rooftop, drop top. Okay, I don't know, but we just rode the one thingy, and it was pretty fun. We're just drying off because it started raining outside. Look at that. It started raining outside, and that's what a dog is. This is your puppy. And yeah, and that's a boy. Do you want to sleep over tonight, Jared? Sure. Hey, it's gonna be a reaction video tonight. I know it will, because we're gonna get some Wi-Fi, boy. See ya.
Okay guys, day 3, Hurricane Harvey. The freeway's already flooded really bad. About 3 feet deep.
Okay guys, it's day 3 on Hurricane Irma, and I'm inside right now, and it's very flooded outside, Mia. So we're on still day 3 of Hurricane Harvey, and it's really bad outside. Look at that.
Oh my god,
and
I have 1 subscriber.
I think we're gonna die. So, just say your prayers to Baby Diesel, because he is so fat. Oh, psych, it's not Hurricane Harvey, boy, it's Hurricane Irma. Yeah, we're going through it right now. It's pretty flooded outside. It's not flooded in here, but as you saw in the other videos, literally there's ducks on our freeway. That's how bad it is. So I'll see you guys in the next stream. Oh, I didn't stop recording. You guys are not, yeah. It's still raining out right now. We're cold because our AC is on, and you know what? You know what? I can't handle it. You know what? I'm savage, boy. We should go outside. Boy, no, I'll shoot Diesel.
Dude,
Okay,
come on. Dude, I'm going outside. Dude, come on.